supermarket, you can lock the door absolutely the car. Okay, the tire size is 12-inch aluminum. Okay, this indicator light is all have the mark. To look the window, the charger. It has multi-vehicle charger. You can use it your family charger. It's very cheap. Okay, the rear view mirror. Okay, adjustable. Okay, let's look out the inside. It has 2 front seats, left-hand driving. Okay, let's look at the instrumental board, the dashboard, the battery energy, temperature, speed, the gear button, you can use this to charge your phone. We have AC, the accelerate pedal and brake pedal. The key, the electric control key. Okay, the electricity, the window